And here I have a sirloin steak. It's semi-frozen. See, it's hard, but it's a little bit soft. Why do I do this? To cut it really thin? When I'm going to make a recipe that needs the meat to be cut really thin, I do this, I freeze it, leave it semi-frozen, and it gets really easy to cut. I can cut it really thin. Let's do this with all the meat. You can also do it with chicken or another type of beef as well. I prefer it too. As for the sirloin, you can use the sirloin from the rib section, which is much more tender, right? Even these little bits of fat, right? Or a soft mattress also works really well, but just do that, right? Let it get semi-frozen and then cut it. It's much easier, right? And the amount of meat, too, it's up to you. All right, okay. Let's set this meat aside. And now 2 big cloves of garlic. Let's just slice them. You can also chop them or use a garlic press too. I prefer to cut it like this, leaving it in big pieces for this recipe. Done. Set aside. Half an onion. And here we're going to cut it like this way. It's going to look like this. Done. We can put it together with the garlic. And we're going to fry a carrot together. Right here, you cut it diagonally. In the Japanese style. And now like this. It will look like this. It's really quick and really easy to do it this way. It's a dish that will look beautiful. If you cut the vegetables the way I'm teaching you, you always have to keep up, right? If you slice all the vegetables, you slice everything, and that's it. That's it. Set it aside here. A bell pepper, just cut here. And you can use green, red, yellow bell pepper, whichever you want. This middle part here, if you want to remove it, you can. I don't mind leaving it. Many people don't like it, right? Done. Here, I'll leave it together with the carrot. Done. And a bit of cabbage. And let's cut it like this, just like that. Into small pieces, more or less the same amount. Here, the carrot and the bell pepper are more or less like this. This recipe would be for about 2 people. Here, in a pot, 4 pieces of dehydrated shiitake. We're going to extract their flavor. A little bit of water, about 200 milliliters. Turn on the heat. Let it boil. Once it starts boiling, let it cook like this for about 2 minutes on low heat, then turn it off. This way, it will hydrate very quickly, and we'll also be able to get the umami from the mushroom very quickly. After a minute of cooking, you can start turning the mushroom, right? So it hydrates on the other side as well and cooks thoroughly. And just look at the color of the water. And here, after 2 minutes of cooking, just turn it off. And set it aside. Let's reserve it just like that. Here, we'll use the mushroom in the recipe, cut into slices. It's very tender. We've already extracted its flavor. The umami, which is in the liquid. And we'll set it aside. Also, in our pan, a tablespoon of salted butter. It can be unsalted too. Also, with the melted butter, add all our meat and give it a quick sear. And we're going to fry it just until it's no longer raw. We don't want to brown it too much. The meat, okay, so we don't lose its tenderness. It's just enough so the meat isn't raw. Done. At this point, it's perfect to add the onion and garlic. Put everything in here. And let's saute it again. Let's leave it like this for about 3 minutes. Medium heat. Now add the bell pepper, the carrot, and the cabbage. Just a little bit of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of powdered ginger. The broth. And let's saute until the carrot is tender but still firm. Turn the heat up to maximum. It's almost ready here. Add our hydrated shiitake. Done. Two tablespoons of oyster sauce. And now we can adjust the salt. Add a little salt to taste and look how beautiful it turns out. It's a dish that stands out on the table because it's colorful. Let's make it even more colorful because we're going to add green onions. Here, I cut it lengthwise about 2 fingers long. Just mix it together. Mix it, and now let it sit for about 40 seconds. And turn it off. Remember, you can adjust the salt now. Just mix it and it's ready. And look how beautiful this finished dish is. And it's very tasty. All done. Turn it off and plate it nicely. A homemade dish that looks like it's from a restaurant. A complete meal in just a few minutes with protein, vegetables, and greens. And it's very tasty. Just put it on top of some hot rice and enjoy.